Hey, all right. John Erickson, L.A., 6 feet, Jankin, Scottish.
Say something.
Not you know Falconer. The young boy was attacked by a pigeon. At the time, I heard cheating. Village farms. Oh, fun. My name is Falconer. Pig-headed bastards.
All right, Mr. Faulkner, we're just going to have you perform a few basic lines of dialogue. Just say or do whatever feels natural. Here we go. You just returned from a leisurely stroll to find your village ablaze. How do you react?
Crikey! Huh? You got a bucket? Bucket! Water! Fire! It's fire! Fire! Huh? Oh, night! Night! Fire!
Can you vocalize what you're feeling? You were actually in the village when it was attacked and have been impaled.
Oh, crikey! No, no good.
Now you're
no
trying
good.
to run for your life
Oh.
from a giant boar, but your left hand has been severed and one of your lung is punctured.
No!
No, the other lung.
No!
You are
Crikey!
in an
No
open
good.
field and feeling the fresh air on your face.
Irish
Boulder
Spring.
lands on you.
Hey!
The boulder
No
was
good.
actually from a volcano. Now you're on fire.
No! Fire! Fire! Ah! Bucket! No good. Oi. Blimey. Fire. We done yet? Huh?